Greetings. In Islam, Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. In Hinduism, Namaste. In Islam, Supreme God, Allah. In Hinduism, Supreme God, Trimurti. Holy Book. In Islam, Quran. In Hinduism, Vedas. Place of worship. In Islam, Masjid. In Hinduism, Mandir. First human. In Islam, Adam and Hawa. In Hinduism, Manu and Shatarupa. Prayer leader. In Islam, Imam. In Hinduism, Pandit. Method of worship. In Islam, Salah. In Hinduism, Puja, cleansing. In Islam, Wuzu. In Hinduism, Achamana. Followers of Islam, 2 billion. Followers of Hinduism, 1.2 billion. Largest country of Islam, Indonesia. Largest country of Hinduism, India.
Holiest city in Islam, Makkah. Holiest city in Hinduism, Varanasi. Major holiday in Islam, Eid. Major holiday in Hinduism, Diwali. Heaven in Islam, Jannat. Heaven in Hinduism, Svarga. Hell in Islam, Jahannam. Hell in Hinduism, Naraka. Evil creature in Islam, Shaitan. Evil creature Hinduism, Rakshasa.
Greatest Muslim scientists. Ibn Sina. Greatest Hindu scientists. C.V. Raman. Prohibited food in Islam. Pork. Prohibited food in Hinduism. Beef. Holy water in Islam. Zam-zam. Holy water in Hinduism. Ganga Jal. Meditation Islam. Zikr-o-Azkar. Meditation in Hinduism. Yoga. Charity in Islam. Zakat. Charity in Hinduism. Dana. Prayer in a day in Islam. 5 time. Prayer in a day in Hinduism. 3 time.
Marriages allowed in Islam. 4. Marriages allowed in Hinduism. 1. Please subscribe my channel. Like my videos and share with others.